Chenro mar nono tij omenda e kaunti ma Siaya kaluwore kod ripot mar janon tij omenda pacho ka endi kata Auditor General e hik omenda mar 2022 nyaka 2023 nopong' kod chochni bang' thoth jotend migepe mag kaunti no manowinjore chopi mar duoko penjo ewi kaka omenda notiyo orem mok ochopo. Jatend migawo mar omenda e kaunti ma Siaya Benedict Omolo noyudore orindi maliet e seche manoduoko penjo ewi kaka migawo no osebedo ka chulo weg orak omenda nyaka ne chenro mag dongruok mapok otieki. Gino manomiyo MCA ma East Yibo Francis Otiato wacho ni jotend migepe go ok ochiwo luor ne kamiti nono tij omenda no. Bende nenore e lela ni thoth jotend migepe kod apisas mag migepe no ok nyal chwalo ripot manyiso kaka gisebedo ka gitimo chudo ni weg orak mopogore.
Now you want us to suspend this meeting to wait for you to call for the chief officer to answer this question? Is that what you are telling us? Because whatever you are doing, you can't do even in any other committee that you have ever attended. Even the Senate, you cannot tell the Senate to suspend their meeting to wait for you, or the other day you will bring the chief officer to answer this. So it shows, Chairman, how unserious these people are with this committee.
Let's respect each other. We respect you, we respect us. We respect the office of the Auditor General. They are the same people you are going to meet at the Senate. It is me again whom you are going to meet at the Senate. But if you tell me that other people you don't know, it's your responsibility to give us all answers. Any action we might take on those people who are not there will only follow the law.